You know what I sin thing, yeah? B? Then call it chastity belt. I want sin thing make out of metal. And in the olden days, when man a go war or go nowhere for a long time, them put it on pan woman with padlock so she can't have sex with nobody. Look on it. You see this? That part here, if you go to the bathroom, and that part here, one other part, if you go to the bathroom, this go over the pum pum, this go over the body. That's the only thing it have on. Remember, you know, it padlock, it make out of metal. So the woman them can't bathe, you know. So the woman them get infection and dead. That's how man a control woman in the olden days. But I'm not such a olden days, you know, because up to about last year, me read about one woman who dead in a Peru because she get infection when her man put chastity belt on her. So how you do today? You know where bother me? Me want to know why man no stop fast with woman body. Why them think them can tell woman what to do with them body. See the same thing behind me there? They call it chastity belt. That they use to put on for woman so they can have sex. Nowadays you see man a jump up and down and tell woman she can't have abortion if she need to have it. You ever hear anything like that? A feel belly? A free body, you know. Me hear some dirty, wicked man say that if Pickney get pregnant because somebody rape her, even if her pooper rape her, she must walk around with that the belly in front of her for 9 months of the Pickney. You know, so that we mash up the Pickney life. Me can't understand how them so bright for one tell woman what to do with them body. We not tell man what to do it for them body. Look how the man them run up and down. Them have enough picnic. Some of them, most of them, they not support the picnic financially. Them not their yard to help look after the picnic to grow them right. And when the picnic them come criminal, them blame the mother. Too much family, the man them not involved in the picnic where them left behind. It is not right that them think that they must deal with and stop fast with the man body. Them too wicked and worthless. Sometimes when me and man talk about abortion, I say to myself, but them got to be some rapists. Because normal man could not say them thing there. Woman body belong to woman who must understand that. Me love man, you know. But the day man can't, I go tell me where to do it for my body, he can't go. This thing is called a chastity belt. It is made from metal. And in the olden days, men put it on women to prevent them from having sex when they were away. Of course, they put a padlock on it, and it's locked around the waist like this. The only holes are these two. This is for the vagina, and this one is for both to go to the bathroom. The women were not able to wash themselves properly, so a lot of them got infection and died. That is how men sought to control women in the olden days. But it's not such an old thing, you know, because a few years ago, or last year, I think I read where a lady in Peru died when her husband put that on her and she died from infection. I was reflecting in the previous section about why is it men are so taken up with telling women what they can do with their own bodies. We do not tell men what they can do with their bodies, but they are for, see, the chastity belt behind me. That's how they try to control our bodies. Now, every minute you hear men jumping up and saying, oh, women cannot have abortion. It is our body. If we want to have an abortion, that is our business. Unless, of course, you are in a relationship and it's a father and you have a discussion, but otherwise no man has the right to be telling a woman what she can do with her body. I have even heard some very wicked men say even if a child is raped and she gets pregnant, she must carry that child for 9 months. What kind of evil thing is this? When I hear men speak like that, I have to wonder to myself if these men are rapists, because no man in their normal mind could ever contemplate suggesting something, much less trying to get it legislated so the government can tell us what we can do with our bodies. No, man. That is absolutely evil. I hope you have gotten your copy of Talk Jamaican by now, because we want you to be at least bilingual. So go to Amazon, put in Talk Jamaican, and get your copy today. You have a wonderful week.